Puerto Natales, a charming town nestled on the shores of Ultima Esperanza Sound in Chilean Patagonia, offers a gateway to some of the most breathtaking natural landscapes in the world. As the gateway to Torres del Paine National Park, Puerto Natales draws adventurers, nature enthusiasts, and culture seekers alike, providing a captivating blend of outdoor exploration and authentic Patagonian experiences. Torres del Paine National Park, a UNESCO Biosphere Reserve, is the crown jewel of Puerto Natales attractions. Its dramatic landscapes encompass glaciers, towering mountains, turquoise lakes, and lush valleys. Hiking the iconic W Circuit or the longer O Circuit offers an immersive experience in this pristine wilderness, with stunning viewpoints of the famous granite towers and the serene beauty of Gray Glacier. Boat tours from Puerto Natales to Balmaceda and Serrano glaciers provide an opportunity to witness the awe-inspiring ice formations and fjords that characterize this region. As the boat navigates through icy waters, visitors can marvel at the rugged landscapes and abundant marine life, including seals and seabirds. Puerto Natales itself exudes a rustic charm with colorful houses lining the waterfront and a laid-back atmosphere that allows travelers to immerse themselves in local life. The town's artisan markets, cafes, and seafood restaurants offer a taste of Patagonian culture and flavors. The Milodon Cave Natural Monument, located about 20 kilometers from Puerto Natales, is home to a cave that once sheltered the extinct Milodon ground sloth. Visitors can explore the cavernous space and learn about the region's prehistoric past through exhibits and information centers. Puerto Natales' commitment to sustainable tourism is evident in its eco-friendly accommodations and local initiatives that aim to preserve the fragile Patagonian ecosystem. Staying in lodges and hotels that prioritize environmental responsibility enhances the experience of being in harmony with nature. The town's cultural scene is enriched by its history as a former sheep farming hub, showcased in museums like the Museo Histórico Municipal. The annual Patagonian National Festival, held in February, celebrates the region's cultural heritage through traditional music, dance, and gastronomy. Kayaking and horseback riding are popular activities in Puerto Natales, providing unique perspectives of the landscapes and allowing visitors to immerse themselves in the vastness of Patagonia's beauty. In essence, Puerto Natales invites travelers to venture into the heart of Patagonia's awe-inspiring natural wonders while embracing its unique culture and history. Whether it's exploring national parks, witnessing glaciers, partaking in outdoor adventures, or simply enjoying the tranquility of the town, Puerto Natales offers a gateway to the exploration of one of the world's most captivating and unspoiled landscapes.